What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a text with a gradient effect in Canva PC. So the first thing that you need to do to create a gradient text in Canva is to go to apps, and here we're gonna search for type gradient, like so, and we're gonna click on type gradient app. Now what we want to do at main text, we want to write the text that we want to generate. For this tutorial I'm going to write YouTube, like so. Now if we scroll down we can change the font and even the gradient type, for example this one. As you can see, I'm going to use the linear one, and we're going to change its position like so. And I want to change the color of our gradient. We're going to use shades of red and a little bit of orange and yellow. Then I'm going to use orange, a reddish orange like this one, and here I'm going to use something between yellow and orange, but not so yellow, like so. And if we click on add element, as you can see now we have a gradient text. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.